Uptown Swing.
Level 2,
Maddie.
Bryce.
This was Tempo Month, and we finished off, we reviewed the little routine that you guys learned last week. We added on to it, we made it better, everyone was looking great, and then we talked about swing outs, doing them fast, and whether or not you keep triples in or not. We really talked about followers. You can sabotage yourself by sort of cutting corners and not going to the end of your connection with your partner. You have to use your partner in order to get that good swing out feeling.
In leads, we went over my footwork for when I want to do fast swing outs, and it was, should we show it?
Yes.
I'll face away. Rock, step, down, step, step, kick, step. Rock, step, down, step, step, kick, step. Trying to keep that kick step at the end really crisp and under ourselves before the next rock, and making sure we're still sending information on the down on that 3 and 4 to our follow. We're not destabilizing the situation, keeping it nice and tight.
Yeah, followers, we talked a little bit about my little variation where we kick while change, or a kick rock step on 7-8, just to sort of get ourselves out there and redirect ourselves without sacrificing the connection. If you want to show it in action, you can do yours first.
All right.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for mine, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So practice those. Those are all things that you can take forward as you continue to work on your swing outs and fast dancing. You guys did great. Yeah.